What if I told you that something as simple as rain could completely change how you think about water usage? What if the secret to sustainable living doesn't lie in the latest tech or a high-tech gadget, but in something as old as the hills? The Amish have been collecting rainwater for centuries, and they've perfected the process in ways you'd never expect. But here's the kicker. The methods they use might just be the solution to the modern-day water crisis you never saw coming. Stick around till the end, and you'll see exactly why these traditional methods might be more advanced than you think, and how they could teach us all a lesson in resourcefulness and sustainability that's long overdue. Amish secret to harvesting rainwater. As you look at the simple, peaceful Amish homes, you might wonder, how do they collect and store rainwater without relying on tanks or modern plumbing? Is it a complex network of pipes and pumps? Or is there something simpler, yet far more ingenious, at play? These are valid questions, especially when we're used to seeing big barrels and tanks on rooftops. But the Amish have perfected a unique, low-tech method of harvesting rainwater, one that's been passed down for generations. This approach isn't just about saving water, it's about minimizing waste and reducing their dependence on public water systems. The secret isn't in the size of the storage, but in how they harvest and use every drop, creating a sustainable, efficient system that's been surprisingly ahead of its time. So what's the secret to their approach to harvesting rainwater? Let's take a closer look. Beyond the rustic charm of Amish homes lies a remarkable secret, a self-sustaining water collection system that defies convention. The answer lies in their resourceful approach to water conservation. Their system is surprisingly low-tech, yet remarkably effective. By harnessing the natural flow of rainwater, they can distribute it throughout their homes and farms. But what makes this system truly remarkable is its ability to purify the water, making it safe for drinking and other household uses. This raises another intriguing question. What kind of filtration system could make rainwater safe for consumption? Is it a complex network of filters and purifiers, or something more straightforward? The Amish way of life is deeply rooted in self-sufficiency and simplicity. They live off the land, relying on their farms and gardens to provide for their needs. Storing rainwater is an essential part of this lifestyle, as it allows them to conserve this precious resource for various purposes. From watering their crops and livestock to washing clothes and cleaning their homes, rainwater plays a vital role in their daily lives. They use rainwater for everything from drinking and cooking to bathing and cleaning. They've developed clever ways to distribute the water throughout their homes and farms, using a network of pipes and channels to minimize waste. This approach not only reduces their reliance on public water sources, but also decreases their energy consumption, as they don't need to pump water from deep wells or treat it with chemicals. By harnessing the power of rainwater, they have created a remarkably efficient system that benefits them in countless ways. With less reliance on electricity and public utilities, they're able to live more independently and sustainably. Their approach to water conservation also helps to reduce soil erosion, prevent flooding, and protect the local ecosystem. As we face our challenges with water scarcity and sustainability, their example offers a valuable lesson in the importance of living in harmony with nature. A roof that gives. How the Amish collect rainwater. They have a saying, "A roof that gives is a roof that receives." Indeed, their rooftops are designed to do just that. Give back to the community by collecting precious rainwater. But what makes their roofs so special? As you gaze upon their farmhouse, you'll notice that the roof is angled at a precise 45-degree slope. This clever design allows rainwater to flow smoothly down into the waiting pipes, minimizing evaporation and maximizing collection. It's a small detail, but one that makes a significant difference in the amount of water collected. But that's not all. They also build their roofs with durability in mind. Metal roofs, often made from corrugated steel, are the norm. These sturdy roofs can last for 60 to 70 years, far outpacing the 20 to 30 years of their thinner, more modern counterparts. And when it comes to maintenance, they have thought of that too. Thin stripes of copper and zinc are carefully embedded into the roofs, where they work their magic. As rainwater flows over these metal strips, they release just enough metal ions to clean the water without altering its quality. It's a brilliant example of natural filtration and one that eliminates the need for harsh chemicals or expensive treatment systems. So how do they ensure that their rooftops remain clean and free of debris? The answer lies in the clever design of their downspout systems. But that's a story for the next chapter. As we explore their approach to rainwater collection, it becomes clear that every detail has been carefully considered. From the angle of the roof to the materials used, each element plays a crucial role in maximizing water collection and minimizing waste. It's a testament to the Amish commitment to living in harmony with nature. The rooftop design also highlights the importance of patience and foresight. By investing in durable materials and careful planning, they're able to reap the benefits of their rainwater collection system for generations to come. It's a powerful reminder that sustainability is not just about short-term gains, but about building a lasting legacy. The Amish underground distribution system. However, the Amish rooftop design is only half the story. To truly appreciate their rainwater collection system, we need to look beneath the surface, or rather, beneath the roof. That's where the gutter system comes into play, a clever network of wooden gutters and downspouts that work together to store and distribute the collected rainwater. The wooden gutters are carefully crafted to complement their metal roofs. These roofs are built steeper than usual, which keeps the water running downward with ease. And to keep the gutters clean, they employ the same clever trick they use on their rooftops: thin metal strips that release ions to purify the water. It's a simple yet effective solution that eliminates the need for electricity or complex filtration systems. But what sets their gutter system apart is its capacity to store rainwater. In heavy rainfall, these gutters can store up to 12 gallons per minute, a staggering amount that can make all the difference during dry spells. When it comes to larger roofs, the numbers are even more impressive. A typical Amish roof of 2,000 square feet can collect and store up to 1,250 gallons of water. Of course, such a complex system requires regular maintenance to ensure it continues to function smoothly. Before every season, they carefully inspect their roofs, panels, and gutters for any signs of damage or wear. And every 2 years, they undertake more extensive repairs to keep their gutter system in top condition. It's a testament to their commitment to sustainability and self-sufficiency. So what does this mean for them? It means they have a reliable source of clean water right at their fingertips. They can use it to irrigate their crops, water their livestock, and even wash their clothes. It's a system that makes life easier, healthier, and more sustainable. And it's a powerful reminder that even the simplest solutions can have a profound impact on our daily lives. By harnessing the power of rainwater, they are able to reduce their reliance on public water sources, lower their energy bills, and create a more resilient and sustainable community. It's a model that we can all learn from, and one that has the potential to make a real difference in our own lives. Nature's reservoir, the Amish cistern. Imagine a vast underground chamber, hidden beneath the earth, waiting to unleash its treasure. Welcome to the Amish cistern, a remarkable feat of engineering that has quenched the thirst of communities for centuries. These subterranean reservoirs can hold anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 gallons of water, a staggering amount that's equivalent to a small swimming pool. As you visualize this underground wonder, imagine a hole in the ground, carefully dug to a depth of 8 to 12 feet, sometimes even 15 feet. They are meticulous in their search for the perfect clay, one that's as pliable as fresh dough when compressed. They can even detect the quality of the clay by its distinctive smell. This special clay is rich in natural materials that purify the water, making it safe for consumption. Once the hole is dug, they carefully line it with bricks or layer it with a special mixture to create a durable and long-lasting container. Some Amish cisterns have been in use since the 1800s, a testament to their ingenuity and craftsmanship. Engineers marvel at the clever positioning of these cisterns, which allows them to harness the power of gravity, eliminating the need for pumps. But they don't just rely on their cisterns for drinking water. They've developed an intricate network of small channels and pipes that distribute the water to their gardens, washing stations, and households. Before heavy rains, they carefully clean the cisterns, ensuring that the water remains pure and clean. However, even a 2,000-gallon cistern can be insufficient during times of drought or heavy usage. That's where the rain barrels come into play. Rain barrels, a sweet solution to rainwater collection. Welcome to the world of rain barrels, a simple yet ingenious solution to storing rainwater for your garden, household, and community. These above-ground wooden vessels were originally used to store maple syrup, but they have been repurposed to collect and store rainwater. 6 or more interconnected barrels are carefully positioned to create a water pressure system, allowing the water to flow freely to where it's needed. To keep mosquitoes at bay, they add a touch of creativity, using seed oil or even small fish to repel these pesky insects. The barrels are layered with a filtration system comprising clean gravel, sand, and charcoal made from oak. This remarkable filtration process is designed to remove impurities, leaving the water crystal clear. But what's truly astonishing is how they have developed their detection methods to ensure the water is clean and safe. Using a special flower, cheesequack, they've created a natural filtration system that changes color when the water is pure. It's a remarkable example of how tradition and innovation can come together to create something truly remarkable. Imagine a row of wooden vessels, once used to store the sweet golden nectar of maple syrup, now repurposed to collect a different kind of liquid gold: rainwater. Picture 6 interconnected barrels, carefully positioned to create a harmonious water pressure system. Each barrel sits atop a wooden platform, precision placed to allow the water to flow freely from one barrel to the next. It's a beautiful symphony of gravity and design, working together to collect and store precious rainwater. But what about those pesky mosquitoes that love to breed in standing water? Fear not, dear reader. The Amish have thought of that too. They add a dash of seed oil or even small fish to the barrels, creating a natural barrier that repels those unwanted visitors. It's a clever trick that keeps the water clean and the mosquitoes at bay. As the barrels fill with rainwater, the overflow is carefully directed to the nearby gardens through a network of water gutters and pipes. It's a seamless system that ensures every drop of rainwater is used to nourish the plants and soil. And with the ability to collect and store hundreds of gallons of water, rain barrels are a game changer for gardeners, farmers, and anyone looking to reduce their water bill. So, are you ready to join the rain barrel revolution? With their charming wooden design and clever functionality, these barrels are sure to become a beautiful addition to your garden or backyard. And as you watch the rainwater flow into your barrels, you'll know that you're not just collecting water. You're collecting a sustainable future, one drop at a time. Nature's filter, the Amish approach to purifying rainwater. Imagine a world where water is purified not by machines or chemicals, but by the gentle touch of nature. The Amish approach to purifying rainwater is a remarkable process that harnesses the power of the earth to create crystal clear water. At the heart of this process is a clever filtration system, carefully crafted to mimic the natural filtering process of the earth. They begin by layering clean, gravel at the base of their filters. These rocks, with their intricate pores and crevices, provide the perfect foundation for filtering out impurities. The gravel layer serves as a mechanical filter, catching larger particles and debris, while also allowing beneficial microorganisms to thrive. Next, they add a layer of sand, carefully selected for its precise grain size. This sand acts as a second line of defense, catching even the smallest particles and contaminants that might have slipped through the gravel. The sand layer is designed to filter out suspended solids, sediment, and even bacteria, making the water even clearer and safer to drink. But the pièce de résistance is the third layer, a bed of charcoal made from oak wood. This is no ordinary charcoal. It's been carefully crafted to produce tiny pores that filter out even the most minute impurities. They burn the wood at a precise temperature, watching for the telltale smoke that signals when the charcoal is ready. The charcoal layer is a powerhouse of purification, removing chlorine, heavy metals, and even volatile organic compounds from the water. The combination of these three layers creates a formidable filtration system that rivals modern water treatment technologies. But what's truly remarkable is how they have developed their detection methods using flowers and plants to indicate when the water is clean. They call it clean water with foremoon, a poetic way of describing the moment when the water becomes crystal clear. But that's not all. They also use indicator plants to monitor the pH level of the water. These plants change color according to the pH, providing a simple yet effective way to check whether the water is clean or not. It's a testament to the Amish commitment to living in harmony with nature and to their ingenuity in finding simple, sustainable solutions to complex problems. And then there's the mysterious flower, woven by hand into a delicate filter. As the water passes through this flower, it's purified and cleansed, ready for drinking or use. It's a truly magical process, one that speaks to the deep connection between the Amish and the natural world. The Amish Underground Distribution System. As we've explored their approach to rainwater collection, we've seen the importance of rooftops, gutters, and filtration systems. But there's another critical component to their water management strategy: the underground distribution system. This network of hidden pipes and storage containers is the unsung hero of water management, allowing them to conserve and distribute water with remarkable efficiency. But they don't just rely on rainwater collection. They also have wells, typically 75 to 100 feet deep, which provide a reliable source of groundwater. To access this water, they use traditional hand pumps, which not only conserve energy, but also provide a great workout. In addition to hand pumps, they also employ windmills to pump water from their wells, harnessing the power of the wind to meet their water needs. These wells are often complemented by underground storage tanks, which hold the collected rainwater and well water. These tanks are carefully positioned to maximize gravity-fed distribution, allowing them to access water throughout their farms and communities without the need for electric pumps. For example, they use this water for irrigation, washing clothes, and even drinking. In fact, many families rely on rainwater collection as their primary source of drinking water. The benefits of storing rainwater are numerous. For one, it reduces the Amish community's reliance on public water sources, saving them money and reducing their environmental impact. It also allows them to conserve water during times of drought, ensuring that their crops and livestock remain healthy and thriving. And by storing rainwater underground, they can reduce evaporation and contamination, keeping their water supply clean and pure. So how do they store rainwater for long periods? They use a combination of concrete and steel tanks, carefully coated to prevent corrosion and contamination. These tanks are designed to withstand the elements, keeping the water cool and clean even during extreme temperatures. And by using a first-in, first-out system, they ensure that the oldest water is used first, reducing the risk of stagnation and contamination. The underground distribution system is a testament to their resourcefulness and commitment to sustainability. By combining traditional techniques with simple, effective technologies, they've created a water management system that's both efficient and environmentally friendly. As we face our challenges with water scarcity and sustainability, this example offers a valuable lesson in the importance of innovation, tradition, and community. A lesson from the Amish. Embracing innovation and tradition. In their approach to rainwater collection, we've seen a remarkable blend of tradition and innovation. On the surface, they may seem like a community stuck in the past, rejecting modern technology and conveniences. But as we've discovered, their approach to rainwater collection is a shining example of how innovation and tradition can work together in perfect harmony. They have taken ancient techniques and adapted them to meet the challenges of the modern world. They've combined traditional materials like wood and stone with modern technologies like metal roofing and windmills. In doing so, they've created a system that's not only remarkably efficient, but also deeply sustainable. So what can we learn from their approach to innovation? First and foremost, we can learn the value of patience and persistence. They didn't develop their rainwater collection system overnight. It's the result of generations of trial and error, experimentation, and adaptation. We can also learn the importance of community and collaboration. Their approach to rainwater collection is a communal effort with neighbors working together to build and maintain their systems. It's a powerful reminder that innovation is often a team effort, and that by working together, we can achieve far more than we ever could alone. Finally, we can learn the value of simplicity and elegance. The rainwater collection system is a masterclass in simplicity, using natural materials and clever design to achieve remarkable results. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective, and that by embracing elegance and simplicity, we can create solutions that are both sustainable and beautiful. As we look to the future, we would do well to remember the lessons. By embracing innovation and tradition, by working together and embracing simplicity, we can create a more sustainable, more resilient, and more beautiful world for all. Benefits of rainwater, harvesting, and storage. Rainwater harvesting is the process of collecting and storing rainwater for future use. This ancient practice has numerous benefits, including reduced water bills, conservation of potable water, reduced stormwater runoff, improved water quality, increased food security, reduced energy consumption, and improved water table recharge. By collecting and storing rainwater, individuals can reduce their dependence on municipal water supplies, leading to lower water bills. Rainwater harvesting also helps conserve potable water for drinking, cooking, and other essential uses. Additionally, collecting rainwater can reduce stormwater runoff, which can help prevent erosion, flooding, and pollution. Rainwater is free from many contaminants found in municipal water supplies, making it ideal for irrigation, washing cars, and other non-potable uses. Rainwater harvesting can also provide a reliable source of water for irrigation, helping to increase food security and reduce reliance on public water supplies. By reducing the demand for municipal water supplies, rainwater harvesting can help reduce energy consumption and lower greenhouse gas emissions. Furthermore, rainwater harvesting can help recharge groundwater aquifers, improving water table levels and ensuring a sustainable source of water for future generations. Storing rainwater can provide numerous benefits, including a year-round water supply, reduced dependence on municipal water, improved water quality, increased property value, reduced flooding and erosion, improved irrigation, and reduced water pollution. By storing rainwater, individuals can ensure a reliable source of water throughout the year, even during times of drought or water restrictions. Storing rainwater can also reduce dependence on municipal water supplies, providing a sense of security and independence. Plus, stored rainwater can be treated and filtered to improve its quality, making it suitable for drinking, cooking, and other essential uses. Installing a rainwater harvesting system can increase property value, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Storing rainwater can also reduce the risk of flooding and erosion, protecting property and infrastructure. Furthermore, stored rainwater can be used for irrigation, reducing the demand for municipal water supplies and improving crop yields. Storing rainwater can also reduce the amount of pollutants entering waterways, improving water quality and protecting aquatic ecosystems. The Amish have been harvesting and storing rainwater for generations, using a combination of traditional techniques and modern technologies. Their approach includes using metal roofs to collect rainwater, which is then channeled into gutters and downspouts. They also use a network of gutters and downspouts to collect and distribute rainwater throughout their properties. To purify rainwater, they use a natural filtration system, including gravel, sand, and charcoal. They also use underground storage tanks to store rainwater, which is then used for irrigation, washing, and other non-potable purposes. In addition to these techniques, they use windmills to pump water from their wells and storage tanks, providing a reliable source of water throughout the year. By adopting this approach to rainwater harvesting, individuals can reduce their dependence on municipal water supplies, improve water quality, and promote sustainability. This approach not only provides a reliable source of water, but also helps to conserve natural resources, reduce energy consumption, and promote environmental stewardship. Now I want to hear from you. What will your approach be? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.